Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another brand new recipe of Lily's Cooking Diary. So today we're gonna watch plum pickles recipe. It's a very famous recipe in Bangladesh probably, also delicious as well. So let's get started. First of all, we took half kilograms of plums. You can find them in normal shops as well. After that, we took some dried peppers, bay leaves, and 5 forks, which is also known as pachforon in Bangladesh. Then we have to add half cup of mustard oil and some chopped garlics. After that, add those plums and add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as needed, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and spice powder half teaspoon, and lastly sugar half cup. After that, mix all the ingredients properly. Must have to mix properly. After mixing, put them on the stove for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can see things are boiling a bit. Now adding those spices which we fried earlier of this video. Then have to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, which is the main thing. Because we know without vinegar we can't preserve this type of foods. After that, we have to stir them after and after until the liquidish thing becomes dense and sticky. So now we are done. You can see it's gummed as well, and yeah, this is the traditional Bangladeshi food, plum pickles. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more new recipes. Stay safe, stay good. Allah Hafiz.